XR14. We're getting her up on the roof. You can see the boom. The guys over there. They're lifting her up. Affordable fixes. We're here to get her done. Bobbing and weaving. Right. We'll get her up there one way or another. It's a little tight squeeze, as you can see all the electrical wires, but the crane operator knows what he's doing. Very experienced technician. That's who we want on our jobs. Nice and careful. We got the guys on the roof ready to get them. So most important is just take your time. Don't stand directly right underneath the condenser. You never know what's gonna happen. I come a little close, but you gotta have experience. Cloudy day, perfect weather. It's not too hot out. There goes Matt over there. He's flexing. Waiting for the unit. Matt, do the dance. There it is. There it is. That's what I want to see. That's how I know you're working. Is that what you do when I'm not here? Yeah, all day. All day. Nice, man. Nice. Well, as long as the guys are having fun at work and the job's being done, what can we say? So if you're in the need of any HVAC or plumbing needs, look us up. We'll be more than happy to come and get her done for you. Again, this is Val from Affordable Fixes. One call does it all. She's almost up on the roof. The operator, he's doing his thing. That's one of them. Gotta make sure there's no pedestrians coming, no cars coming, and the proper signals always help. That's it, the boom is going up, so. Infinity Home Shield. Let's go over here and take a look. It's really not that high, but we just don't like taking a gamble of trying to pull it up on a ladder, especially with the cost of the equipment. You definitely don't want to do any damage to it, so we just take our time and do it right. There he is. Alright guys, check us out at affordablehvacpa.com. Or you can call us directly, 215-677-1300.